I'm going to talk about this Wagyu beef tallow that WAGYU Republic sent me to do a video on. I use a lot of beef tallow. Definitely tried to move away from seed oils or anything like that over the past couple years. I use this for cooking. If I'm doing any frying, I always use beef tallow. It's healthier for you, and I absolutely love the flavor. And tonight I'm cooking up a steak. I'm going to do a flat iron out on the grill, but I like to use my cast iron pan when I do the flat iron. And it's easy. I'm just putting some of the tallow in. It melts right down extremely fast. This is about 45 seconds to a minute, and it's already melted there. Make sure I get a good coating, and gonna let the pan warm up a little bit more. And here's tonight's dinner, flat iron. I've got it all seasoned up, ready to go on the grill. And tallow also has a high smoke point, which makes it great for cooking. You can hear that sear. That's exactly what you're looking for. I get a great sear whenever I use tallow. Now, if you're focused on carnivore eating or paleo or keto, this is going to be a great option for you too. You can see right there, flipping, get some good color on that steak. Looks absolutely great. And it didn't take long. I like cooking the flat iron because it usually cooks a little bit faster. And this was probably a grand total of 8 minutes of cooking right here, and it's ready to go. And coming off right here, looks absolutely fantastic. So who's this going to be good for? Pretty much anyone who values a healthier option as far as your cooking fats, anyone who values flavor in their meals. So I'd say that's pretty much going to be anyone who has a kitchen and anyone who likes to cook. If you'd like to pick some up for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.